What's up, everyone? Welcome to my daughter's and son's bathroom. And today's video is going to be about unclogging a sink. Let's take a look. So basically it's clogged, and it's not normal clog. Like normally when I'm dealing with a clogged sink, I take the P-trap out and I pull the hair out or whatever debris is in there. I'm afraid of what's inside the pipes here. And the reason is my daughter and son like to make slime, like to do household experiments, like to mix things together, do some weird stuff with it, and then it ends up down the sink.
That's a lie.
So the video I'm doing today is going to be testing a chemical that I picked up at Lowe's. It's basically an acid that you pour down the drain. It's supposed to dissolve all of the bad stuff in there, and then you're supposed to just flush it with hot water. Now, normally I take things apart and get in there. I know a lot of viewers maybe don't have the tools or have the patience to want to disassemble your plumbing like I've done in other videos. So this video will be a test for anybody out there who's interested in clearing a drain without using tools and doing it the easy way. So let's go ahead and get started. So this is the product that I have. Heavy duty drain opener destapador de drenaje. Anyways, it's in a plastic bag. According to the warning, it has to stay in this bag. You take it out of the bag, you pour it into the drain. You have to put 2 cups, which is 16 ounces, and then it dissolves whatever's in there, and then we hit it with super hot water. So let's give it a shot. Now you have to wear gloves so you don't melt your skin. And you also need to wear eye protection so we don't dissolve our eyeballs. And so let's go ahead and pour some in. Okay, so here we go. We're gonna pour 16 ounces. It's very thick. Again, 16 ounces is roughly 2 cups. I think that's about 16 ounces. And then we're supposed to let it marinade. This is supposed to dissolve hair and everything else. So we're gonna give it some time. We're supposed to allow this to soak for 1 hour, and they want you to cover it with something. I'm gonna close the door. That's how I'm gonna cover that. Okay, so we're supposed to add hot water. So I've got a pot of boiling water that I'm gonna add in. It didn't say boiling water, but we're trying it anyways. It is draining a lot faster. It didn't drain before. Now I'm gonna run the hot water here for about maybe a few minutes, and we'll see what happens. This has been running for about 10 minutes now. It is running hot water. Before, when I would put any water in there, it would immediately fill. So it worked. Now I don't know if it worked forever or if it's a temporary fix. In other words, it just opened a small amount of the pipe up. But either way, I'm running water at full speed and it's working. So the verdict is, if you want to get a clog out of your own sink, you don't want to hire a plumber, you don't want to take things apart, this chemical works. And I only used a small portion. So if I need to do this again a few more times, I have enough. So pretty cool. Thanks for watching. And if this was helpful, make sure you subscribe. Thank you.